This is just it's just a placeholder. So what we're gonna do is go through the middle, grab the yarn, pull up, and we've got 2 loops on the hook. We're gonna yarn over and pull through 2. We're gonna go down, back down through the loop, yarn over, pull up a piece of yarn, and we got 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. We don't want to be doing this really tight because we have to get stitches in here later. We don't want to be really loosey-goosey either because then it'll just look bleh. If you're having a hard time managing holding all of this, what I suggest that you do is you take your ring finger, you put it through the loop along with your middle finger, and your thumb you use to press these 2 bars together to hold on to them. And then you use your middle finger to kind of push against this and balance that all out. We're going to yarn over and we're going to pull up a loop. So now we have 3. We're going to go back down through the middle, yarn over, and then we have 4, and we need 5 is what we're going for. What's going to happen is as we've been crocheting, we've been putting tension on it, and this first stitch has gotten a little bit tighter. It's going to be harder to get into when we get back to it, but that's okay. So now that we have 5 crochets, 5 single crochets on here, so we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to grab this and we're going to pull the tail, and it's going to get teeny tiny small. You can pull it really tight with acrylic yarn, cotton yarn. You can pull tight with, if you do something with the chenille, you're not going to be able to do that. Now what we have to do is get a slip stitch into this first stitch, which is always going to be a challenge because it's not going to want to go because this stitch wound up being really tight. If you find it super tight and hard to get into, what you can do is just take another hook that's a little bit smaller. This is a 4, and just take your 4 and kind of wiggle it through. There you go. And then this is called the thumb rest. You can do is take it and run it up to the thumb rest and then just kind of twirl the thumb rest around a little bit, and that'll give you some room.